Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and I'll be showing you how to make a paper airplane. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you all enjoy this. I really hope. So I'm gonna show you how to make a paper airplane. So this is how you do it. So first things first, you gotta take this and fold it to the other end, so that way it makes a nice rectangle like this. Nice rectangle like this. Then you'll take this flap and fold it and make a triangle down like that. See? There. What you do after that is you take this and you fold it down like that. See? Like that. Like that. Then you do it again. Flip it over, and then you just do the exact same thing you did on the other side, like the exact same thing. Boop. Boom. And boom. Voila, there you have a beautiful paper airplane. Now I'm gonna show you how this works. Yep, that's how a paper airplane just goes swoosh. And I hope you all enjoy this, and goodbye.